Alright, this is Shellraiser at Nickelodeon Universe here at American Dream Mall. And it starts off pretty strong. And upside down! Alright, here comes the launch. Alright, now we're going into a vertical lift hill. This is where it gets really good. We're going to be going up to the very top of that. Alright, here we go. Beyond 90-degree vertical drop. Oh, perfect timing. Shellraiser. It's a great coaster. There's like a pothole there that's really rough there after the vertical drop, but other than that, it's a great coaster. I love that it's